Welcome. In front of me I have LG K50S and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the Chrome browser. Now, to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. Hold them for about 2-3 seconds, you will hear the sound, and also this will appear on the bottom of the screen, and you have few options in this menu. It disappeared, so let's take a screenshot again. You have options like scroll screenshot, edit, delete, and share. This scroll screenshot option allows you to take a screenshot of something that takes more than screen fits. For example, we have a Google page that you can scroll up and down on it, and you can take a scroll screenshot to take whole page at the one shot. You don't need to take a few different screenshots basically. Edit option allows you to edit the screenshots. Delete, of course, deletes them, and share allows you to share the screenshot with other people via different apps. You can also take a screenshot another way. To do it, simply open the quick panel, and here we have a screenshot icon. Tap on it, and the screenshot will be taken like this. I'm gonna show you also how to take a scroll screenshot. So let's press and hold the power button and volume down button to take a screenshot. Then tap on the scroll screenshot icon. It's gonna start scrolling down, taking the picture. You can tap on the screen to stop it in the place you want it to, or wait until it reaches the bottom of the screen. Like this. And now you can edit the screenshot, you can draw on it, you can erase the drawings, you can go back, and also you can cut out the area of the screen like this. And once you're done, tap the check mark to save. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.